Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the user interface settings in Crimson Desert. Let's begin by pressing down the escape key or the menu key on the controller. Bring up the side menu. Make sure to hold down the escape key or the menu key to keep it there. Then scroll up if you're on mouse and keyboard, or simply press the up arrow on the controller. Then let go of the menu key or the escape key. This will select the others menu. Here, make sure you selected options and go to settings. Here, make sure you are in the accessibility tab. This will let you access the UI size element, where you can change it on the scale from 100 to 90. I will lower it down to 90, and there is the UI HUD size, where you can adjust the size of the HUD in game. I will keep the UI size big, while I will minimize the amount of space the actual HUD takes up, and then, but you can do whatever. You can do whatever. Once you make your changes, press apply. Press it once again to save the changes, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.